In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to update contacts in MailChimp step by step so you can quickly correct names, email addresses, phone numbers, addresses, and other important details without getting lost in the platform. If you manage a mailing list, this is one of those simple tasks that can save you a lot of time and help keep your audience data clean and accurate. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the site loads, sign into your MailChimp account using your email address and password. If you're already signed in, you'll land inside your account dashboard right away. The goal here is to get into the main MailChimp workspace where all of your audience tools are located. Next, look at the left-hand menu and click Audience. This is the section where MailChimp keeps all of your contacts, subscribers, and audience data. If you have more than one audience, make sure you're in the correct one before making any changes. That way, you avoid updating the wrong contact list by mistake. Now, you need to find the contact you want to edit. You can scroll through the contact list manually if you only have a few contacts, or you can use the search bar to make things much faster. Search by the person's name or email address, depending on what information you have available. Once you find the correct contact, click their name or email address to open their profile page. On the contact profile page, look for the contact information section. This is where MailChimp stores the details connected to that person. To make changes, click Edit. That will open the contact details so you can update the fields you need. Now, you can begin editing the contact information. You may want to change the first name, last name, email address if MailChimp allows it in your setup, company name, phone number, birthday, street address, address line 2, city, state or province, postal or zip code, and country. Only change the fields that actually need to be updated. It's always a good idea to keep the rest of the information the same unless you're correcting something specific. As you enter the new details, take your time and make sure everything is accurate. Small mistakes in spelling, phone numbers, or addresses can cause problems later, especially if you use this contact information for segmentation, personalization, or shipping-related records. Double-check every field before you move on. Once you've reviewed the changes and confirmed everything looks correct, click Save Changes. MailChimp will immediately update the contact profile with the new information. After that, your updated contact details will be saved and ready to use in your audience records, and that's it. You've now learned how to update contacts in MailChimp quickly and correctly. This is a useful skill, whether you're cleaning up your audience list, correcting outdated details, or keeping your customer data organized. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more MailChimp tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.